And why do thousands of young people go out there at Puxatawny, Pennsylvania at 3 o'clock in the morning and wait until he shows up at 7 in the morning? Why do they do that? Because they're looking for being part of that light. And here we are recommending or remembering another source of light. And that is what happened on the Dorchester on February 3rd, 1943. You know, we get invited to a lot of ceremonies, which is why Bill got confused with the schedule today. He's in the Navy Yard right now in Philadelphia conducting a Four Chaplains service. This morning, up in Gilman, Vermont, at the chapel where Chaplain Fox was the minister, the American Legion there is celebrating a Four Chaplains service. In Florida, southern Florida, this is the one that I was at last year where I couldn't be here, the American Legion for the Department of Florida is celebrating their Four Chaplains service in Fort Lauderdale. There is a service going on. There was a service up this morning at St. Stephen's Church, which is the last parish for Father Washington. There is a service that will go on tomorrow at the last synagogue that Chaplain Good served at, which is in York, Pennsylvania. There's a service today up at the Dutch Reformed Church in Schenectady, New York, which is where Chaplain Poling last served. But it's not only those churches and the American Legion. We get all sorts of notifications from all over the country about Four Chaplains services. There are literally hundreds of them going on, many of them today and over the next several days.